Yo, what's up? This is Patrick from Guy in the Cube, and in this 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to create a template using Power BI Desktop. Okay, templates. Well, to be honest with you guys, this is a makeup video because I did a video on parameters and templates a while ago, and I didn't show you how to create a template. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. What you need first is, most of the times when people create templates, they're trying to give the person that's going to consume that Power BI Desktop a starting point. Maybe it's just the model you're creating. Maybe you want them to pass a parameter in before they open a report. That's what I'm going to show today. So instead of all this talking, let's just head over to my laptop. Okay, so I have this report created, and what I want to do is when I share this PBIX file out with other people in my organization, I want them to select the country before they do anything, okay? And so I've added a parameter. If you don't know how to add parameters, go back and look at the video on creating parameters and templates. And so when they open this up, I wanted to prompt them and say, you select the country before you get started. So to create the template, you finish up your report, set it up, the model, whatever it is, the way you want, and then you choose File, Export, and you choose Power BI Template. And then you type a description in, you click OK, and you choose where you're going to save it. And it's going to save it as a PBIT file, a Power BI template. All right. So once you're done, you share that out however you want to share it out. And then you just go to where that guy is saved, wherever you put it on a share, you email it, whatever you do, you double click the PBIT file. It's going to open up. And it's going to prompt the end user if you have parameters specified. If not, if you're just trying to disseminate this so people who use themes, you've applied a theme, then it'll just open up. But in my case, I have a parameter that I want my end users or whoever's consuming this template to select from. All right. So here's my parameter. I click the drop down. Let's just choose United States. We click load. It'll go through its normal load process, pull all the data in. And then when the report when all the processing is complete and the report renders, however that parameter is being used, in my case, I'm filtering out some things, some data in my report, and however that parameter is used, it's going to filter that report out the exact same way. All right. And so you'll see that it's filtered because I selected United States. And now what they can also do, if they click edit queries, they can edit the parameters and select another one. Let's choose France, and we click OK. And then you'll see that it should, when I click apply changes, it'll go out, reload my sales territory table, and only show me data from France. Pretty neat, pretty cool. Templates are a great way to disseminate PBIX files with, certain things pre-built. So you want end users to start from some point. All right. So I hope this answers all the questions from the other videos. If not, you guys know what to do. Post it in the comments below. If this is your first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like my video, 2 big thumbs up. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.